Of course, here is the script expanded to approximately 2,500 words, deepening the explanations, adding more relatable analogies, patient stories, and scientific context while maintaining the original structure, tone, performance. And core message, gentlemen, I have a serious question for you. What if the key to reclaiming your natural vigor, the energy and confidence that you may feel has slowly been seeping away? Performance. It wasn't found in a pharmacy bottle or a complex medical procedure, but in a single precise spot on your own body. Imagine a switch long forgotten, buried under layers of daily stress and habit. Performance. That once activated could begin to restore the systems that power your very sense of manhood. It sounds almost mythical, doesn't it? A secret point that holds such influence. Yet this isn't folklore. Performance. It's grounded in a profound understanding of human anatomy and the body's innate ability to heal and rebalance when given the correct signal. It's true. There's a specific area, no bigger than a dime, performance, that when stimulated for just 60 seconds daily can act as a master key. This key can begin to dramatically improve circulation to regions that desperately need it, awaken dulled sensation, performance, and help restore a level of performance and reliability you may have quietly believed was gone for good, resigned to the pages of your past. We're talking about a fundamental reboot of the pathways that govern arousal, performance, endurance, and satisfaction. Now, I know what you might be thinking. It might sound too simple, too good to be true. In a world of advanced medicine and instant solutions, performance. The idea of a 1-minute touch-feeling radical is ironic, maybe even a bit uncomfortable to consider. We're going to talk about a part of the body that isn't discussed at the dinner table. But that cultural discomfort is precisely why so many men suffer in silence, opting for expensive or impersonal solutions instead of looking inward, literally. So stick with me. Suspend that skepticism for just a few minutes. Performance. In the next while, I'll not only reveal the exact location of this convergence point, but I'll explain the fascinating science of why it works, the nerves, the muscles, the vascular highways all connected there. Performance. I'll guide you through a straightforward, respectful technique that could very well be the most potent, natural, and empowering enhancer you've ever tried because it works with your body, not against it. But first, performance. A request. If you're a man over 40, 50, or beyond who truly believes in taking proactive, intelligent charge of your health and rejecting the narrative of inevitable decline, do me a favor. Hit that like button right now. Performance. That simple click tells the algorithm this message matters. It helps other men who might be scrolling in private hesitation find this information. Let me know in the comments what country, performance, what city you're joining us from today, seeing Toronto, London, Sydney, Mumbai pop up. It reminds me I'm not just speaking into a void, but to a global brotherhood of men who are done settling. And please, performance. Subscribe to Winds of Thought. We are more than a channel. We are an ongoing conversation about male vitality, confidence, and living with purpose, not just years. All right, let's get to the heart of it. Performance. We need to dismantle a pervasive and damaging myth. A common, almost unquestioned belief is that after a certain age, a steep decline in sexual function is as inevitable as gray hair. You're told to expect it. Performance. You assume blood flow naturally diminishes to those tissues, hormone levels irrevocably shift, and intimacy naturally becomes more of a negotiation, a struggle, than a spontaneous joy. It's framed as a normal part of aging. So what do most men do? Many just quietly accept it, internalizing a story of loss that chips away at their identity. Or when the moment demands it, they turn to chemical aids. Now, let me be perfectly clear. Performance. Modern medicine has its place, but here's the critical reality I need you to understand. While age brings changes, aging itself is rarely a primary culprit for dysfunction. It's often the scapegoat. The core issue, performance, the mechanical failure behind the curtain, is frequently chronic tension and critically restricted blood flow in your pelvic basin, a region that acts as the literal foundation of your torso. Performance. Think of your pelvic floor not as one muscle, but as a sophisticated sling-like network of tissues. It's a dynamic hammock that supports your bladder, your rectum, and the crucial structures for sexual function. But decades of sitting at desks, in cars, on couches have a profound effect. We sit more than any generation in history. Add to that a lifetime of accumulated stress, which manifests as physical clenching and general inactivity, performance. And this muscular hammock undergoes a terrible transformation. It becomes both paradoxically tight and feeble. It's locked in a state of constant low-grade tension, yet it has lost the elastic strength, the resilient spring, performance, needed to perform its duties effectively. It's like a rubber band that has been left stretched around an object for years. It's stiff, brittle, and has lost all its snap. Now, performance. Let's translate that physical state into consequence. Think of the rich network of blood vessels and sensitive nerves that run through and alongside this tense muscular web. They are the supply lines for function. Performance. When the muscles are chronically tight, they compress these supply lines. Imagine a garden hose with a heavy boot planted firmly on it. Upstream, the pressure might be fine, but downstream, where the flower bed is, performance, only a pathetic trickle gets through. The hose itself, under that constant pressure, begins to stiffen. This is a perfect analogy for what happens internally. The vessels themselves can lose flexibility, Performance, a condition called endothelial dysfunction. The nerves compressed and underfed with oxygen-rich blood lose their sharpness, their keen ability to transmit the vibrant signals of touch and arousal. What was once an automatic performance, robust response, a simple, thought-born signal resulting in dramatic physical change, now requires immense conscious effort, or worse, fails to happen at all. The connection is literally being pinched off. Performance. But here is the powerful, hopeful news that changes everything. This is a mechanical, functional problem. And functional problems often have physical, accessible solutions. By applying intelligent performance, targeted pressure to release that specific tension, you can help reboot the entire system. You are essentially lifting that boot off the hose, allowing flow to resume, and reminding the tissues of their healthy state. Performance. The point I'll show you is not a new age discovery. It is revered in ancient healing arts like Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine, where it's known as a major confluence of vital energy pathways for a natus into meridians. Contemporary research into myofascial release and somato-autonomic reflexes is now validating its profound effects. Science is catching up to what wise healers have known for centuries: performance. That strategic touch can regulate deep autonomic functions, including blood flow. For those of you who are newcomers here, hello, I'm Nora Hayes. Performance. My entire professional focus is on helping men just like you rediscover their innate energy, their confidence, and their vitality, very often without immediately resorting to medications or complex treatments. Performance. I've worked with hundreds of men, from corporate executives to retired veterans, and I've borne witness to the quiet transformation that occurs when targeted, natural methods are applied consistently. I've seen the relief. Performance. The surprise, the rekindled spark in the eyes of men who believed that part of their life was simply extinguished, a chapter permanently closed. It is the most rewarding work I do. Today, performance. I'm guiding you through one of the most clinically overlooked yet profoundly effective approaches in my toolkit, but knowledge without context can be misapplied. So, performance. Before I detail the how, we must first clear the mental and practical underbrush. We must address the three critical, almost universal errors that sabotage male potency. Performance. Errors that this simple practice directly and powerfully corrects. Let's start with error 3, neglecting pelvic tightness. Close your eyes for a second and consciously scan your body. Feel your jaw, your shoulders. Performance. Many of us carry tension there and are vaguely aware of it. Now, try to feel the base of your torso, your pelvic floor. For most men, there is no conscious connection. Performance. They are completely unaware that this foundational muscle group is in a state of perpetual subconscious clench. Why? Chronic stress triggers a guard response. Performance. Long hours at a desk job shorten the hip flexors and pull on the pelvis. Even habitual patterns like holding in urine during a long meeting train these muscles to stay locked. Performance. The consequence of this permanent low-grade contraction is constant compression of the very arteries and veins that are the lifeblood of function, and pressure on the pudendal and pelvic nerves. Performance. Dulling their exquisite sensitivity. This daily massage works to systematically dissolve that deep-seated hidden tension. It's not just a rub, it's a neurological signal. It's like carefully, patiently untying a stubborn, a complex knot that's been tightening for years, gradually strangling your performance and comfort. Now, error 2, the trap of depending solely on pills. This is a crucial distinction to grasp. Performance. Pharmaceuticals like PDE5 inhibitors, the little blue pills, have a clear mechanism. They are vasodilators. They work by influencing a chemical pathway to allow more blood to flow into the penile tissues. And in the moment, performance. For an event, they can be effective. But here is the vital truth. They don't advertise. They do not address the underlying structural, because we just discussed. They are a temporary bypass, not a repair of the road. Performance. They force a reaction in the vascular system without restoring long-term flexibility to the vessels themselves or improving the health of the nerves that initiate the entire process. Performance. That's why so many men find the effect becomes less reliable or requires higher doses over time. The root cause, the tense muscle and the stiffened vessel, remains untouched. Performance. The technique I'm teaching you today operates on the opposite principle. It is educative and restorative. It teaches your body through gentle, consistent stimulus to self-regulate and improve blood flow naturally. Performance. It helps restore the health of the tissues themselves, building durable, lasting improvement from the ground up. It's the difference between renting a tool and owning a workshop. Finally, and most importantly, error 1, performance, surrendering to the myth of age-related decline. This is the most damaging mistake of all, because it is a psychological surrender that paralyzes action. It is losing hope and accepting a story of inevitable diminishment. So I cannot emphasize this enough. Chronological age is a number, biological age is a condition. Performance. I have consulted with men in their late 60s and 70s who came to me with the resigned belief that their time for a satisfying intimate life had simply passed, and that it was just how it is now. They were often embarrassed to even bring it up. But when we focused on improving their pelvic floor muscle tone and circulatory health through methods including this one, performance, the results were sometimes breathtaking. In a matter of weeks, they reported not just improved physical function, but a resurgence of self-assurance, a lightness in their step, performance, and a rekindling of intimate connection with their partners that they thought was lost to history. The body has a remarkable capacity for repair when pointed in the right direction. Now let's transition from theory to action, performance. Let's move to the practical step-by-step guide. Here is the simple, dignified routine. Approach this not as a strange chore, but as a brief, focused investment in your own foundational health. Performance. Akin to brushing your teeth for your vascular system, step 1, locate the area with precision. The spot is anatomically known as the perineum. It is the muscular, fibrous area between your scrotum and your anus. Performance. It is not Vaughan either structure, but the flat landscape between them. Using the pad of your finger, gently explore this region. You are looking for the central point. In many men, performance. It may feel slightly spongy or softer than the surrounding tissue. Do not be concerned if you feel a mild tenderness or sensitivity upon pressing. This is actually a strong sign you found the right place. Performance. It indicates accumulated tension. That tenderness is what we aim to gently soothe. Step 2, position yourself for comfort and access. This is not a race. Your mindset matters. Sit on the edge of a firm chair, bed, performance, or even the side of your bathtub. Alternatively, lie comfortably on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, perhaps with a pillow under your head. The goal is to have your body in a neutral performance. Relaxed position where your hand can reach the area without you having to strain, twist, or hold your breath. If you are straining, you are activating the very muscles we are trying to relax. Step 3, apply moderate performance, intelligent pressure. Use your index and middle finger together for stability. We are not jabbing or poking. Think of the firmness you'd use to feel the soft spot on a perfectly ripe peach or avocado. Performance. Enough pressure to assess the state beneath the surface, but not so much that you bruise the fruit. This is a firm, definite, yet mindful pressure. The rule is simple. Performance. It should never cross the threshold into sharp or shooting pain. A dull ache or sense of release is common. You are in control. Step 4, the massage itself, 1 full minute. There are a couple of effective patterns. Performance. The first is small, deliberate circles. Use the pads of your fingers to make clockwise circles for about 30 seconds, then switch to counterclockwise for 30 seconds. The second method, performance, which is excellent for trigger point release, is a gentle press and hold rhythm. Apply firm pressure, hold for a slow count of 5, then completely release the pressure for a count of 5. Performance. Repeat this cycle for the full minute. Your focus should be on the sensation of release, of softening under your fingers. Breathe deeply and evenly as you do this. Do not hold your breath. Step 5, performance. Enhancing the effect with a natural oil. Using a small amount of a natural warm oil can enhance the practice. It reduces friction and allows your fingers to glide smoothly, and certain oils have beneficial properties. Organic, cold-pressed coconut oil is wonderfully soothing, has mild antibacterial properties, and is supportive for the skin. Alternatively, high-quality sesame oil, a cornerstone of Ayurvedic Abhyanga, performance, is revered for its ability to penetrate, nourish tissues, and calm the nervous system. Here's a key tip: never apply the oil cold. Performance. Pour a dime-sized amount into the palm of one hand and rub your hands together vigorously for 10 seconds to warm it. The warmth is deeply relaxing and makes the experience far more pleasant. Step 6, the non-negotiable, performance. Consistency and timing. This is where the magic truly happens through repetition. Practice this once daily. Think of it as essential maintenance. Ideal times are in the morning, perhaps after your shower. Performance. To align with and support your body's natural circadian rhythms and peak testosterone levels. Alternatively, evening practice can be a wonderful way to shed the day's stress, promote parasympathetic nervous system relaxation, performance, and encourage healthy nocturnal circulation and erections, which are nature's maintenance cycles for penile health. Remember this principle: regularity trumps intensity every single time. Performance. 1 focused minute daily is infinitely more powerful than a frantic 10-minute session once a week when you remember. You are training a neuromuscular response, and that requires gentle daily repetition. Performance. I fully understand that this might feel unfamiliar, even awkward at first. You might have an internal voice asking, is this really appropriate? Performance. Is this necessary for me? Let me address that head on with clarity and compassion. It absolutely is appropriate. And if you are experiencing any decline in function, urgency, or sensation, it may be profoundly necessary. Performance. This practice is not about shame or taboo. It is about reclaiming authority and responsibility over your physical well-being in the most direct way possible. It is a reclaiming of ownership. Let me share a story. Performance, with details changed for privacy. A gentleman I advised, let's call him James, was 65. A retired engineer, he was methodical and skeptical. He had, over a 5-year period, performance, nearly abandoned all thoughts of intimacy with his wife, attributing it to old age. It was causing a quiet distance in their marriage. He agreed to try this consistent practice, approaching it like an experiment. Performance. After 3 weeks, he reported not only a noticeable improvement in his erectile responsiveness, he called it, or a return of the connection between thought and body, but also some completely unexpected benefits. The chronic performance, low-grade lower back ache that had been his companion for years had significantly eased. He felt a general sense of grounded vitality and pelvic comfort he hadn't experienced in a decade. This is the critical insight. Performance. This work is about holistic life quality. It's about freeing the entire region from a state of chronic tension, and the benefits ripple outward to your posture, your bladder control, your comfort sitting, and yes, to the core of your sexual vitality. So here is your clear, actionable takeaway. Stimulate this central zone for 1 deliberate minute each day. Use a natural, warm oil to amplify the effect and the experience. Performance. Stay disciplined and patient with the process. Your body did not develop this tension overnight, and it won't release it overnight. But within several weeks of consistent practice, performance, you will likely begin to observe tangible shifts, improved sensation, more reliable morning function, a feeling of lightness that no pill can sustainably or holistically produce. Please, performance. Don't allow a number on a birthday cake to dictate the terms of your vitality. That is a choice, not a destiny. Small, intentional, courageous actions stacked daily. Performance can restore not only the physical responsiveness of your body, but perhaps more importantly, your core confidence and the profound closeness with your partner. This is about connection on every level. Performance. If this message resonated with you, if it gave you a sense of hope or a clear direction you've been seeking, please press the like button. That simple act is not passive performance. It is a signal that helps this content reach other men who are scrolling in silent search, feeling the same frustrations. It builds our community. Subscribe to Wens of Thought if you haven't yet. We are building a proactive, performance, educated community of men who refuse to surrender their health to apathy or misinformation. And I genuinely want to hear from you. Share below in the comments, what is one small performance, concrete step you are committing to take this very week toward actively reclaiming your vigor and well-being? Your declaration matters. This is Nora Hayes reminding you you are not broken, you are not deficient. Performance. And you are certainly not past your prime. You are a man with a body designed for resilience, currently navigating a modern world it wasn't built for. You can absolutely feel fully alive, vibrant, and connected again. Performance. It starts with one small, brave, informed step today. Take that step. Your future self will look back and thank you for the courage you showed in this moment.